Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Store Decor Dash. This is Shraddha here from Creative Edges. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and do check out all other artists' videos as well. So today I'm going to make this altered art, and this is my altered project. It is a wooden chopper board I'm using. Guys, I took this wooden piece. It is a wooden chopper board, you can say, and I also took the texture paste and the stencils and applied this design. You can use whatever stencil you have or whatever MDF base you have. I got this MDF base from similar shop like Dollar Tree shop from India. It's similar kind of, because we don't have Dollar Tree shop here, so we have another shop with similar to Dollar Tree shop. So I got it from there, and now I'm going to apply my resin embellishments. So I have this cute wings, and I got it from my friend. Okay, she gifted me, and I applied actually the black gesso all over the place, and I'm also going to apply the black gesso on these wings, this face, and I have have so many materials which we can use over here. So I'm going to use these small stones which I made from the clay, and I'm going to use the two pieces as far as I know. I have more accessories, but let's see what all we can use. We are going to do the same, like we're going to apply the black gesso all over the embellishments as well. So I'm taking the black gesso here, and I'm going to apply on the face, on the stones. I have taken the two stones only. On the wings I already applied, as you can see, and I'm also going to take some MDF. I'm having it's a gears MDF, so I'm going to apply on that too. As you can see, I quickly applied it and did it. I hope you're enjoying the tutorial, guys. Now I'm going to paste all the embellishment with the help of heavy gel medium from MX. I'm using it, and I'm pasting the wings, I'm pasting all other accessories together. I hope guys you're enjoying this tutorial. It's too easy, like super easy process to do. Just you need to have the black gesso, some embellishments and some base, and just put everything together, paste it, and apply some colors, metallic colors I mean, or waxes. You can do that. So I'm just applying everything together, and I'm pasting it, as I told you, with the heavy gel medium, and after that we are going to do the colors. This is the stone part. I'm going to paste the stone over here, and now it's the time to do some color. So I'm using the metallic paints from MX. I'm going to use three kind of metallic paints from MX, and the one vintage golden paint from Tex, the Element Craft Studio. It's also from India. And another, I'm going to use the Finnabair wax. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to use these things. Trust me guys, it's super easy. You can use any metallic color or pearl kit or whatever color which is shimmery, you can use on it. It's gonna come out like nice piece of art. You can even hang it on your wall, or you can use that as a fridge magnet as well. So you're gonna enjoy this. Okay, so the next thing is we're gonna apply the another color after doing this golden paint. Okay, and the another color I'm going to use is Velvet Orchid and Tuscan Red from MX. And I'm also gonna use my finger to do that. Oh, and I'm also gonna use like Finnabair wax first over here on her face. I'm going to use very little bit of it because I don't want to put like whole color on over my project, so I'm using very little bit here and there. Guys, if you're enjoying this tutorial, do share it, like it, and subscribe my channel, and also check out others videos as well. They also create like lovely projects, and you're gonna be amazed to learn from them as well. I hope you're enjoying everyone's tutorial, guys, and thank you so much for watching. Here I'm using my fingers to do these paints, and I'm using right now is Velvet Orchid, and after that I'm also going to use the Tuscan Red metallic paint from MX. And I'm using my fingers because these are like, you know, life tools. You can use it anytime you like. If you don't have brush, if you don't have anything, so you can always use your fingers. Okay, so you know how much quantity you need it on your finger, and you can apply as it is. Now I'm using the Tuscan Red and I'm gonna apply with my finger. I'm also gonna use my brush because, you know, there are some areas where my fingers might not reach, so I need to use my brush for that. And after that, I'm going to apply the vintage golden paint from Tex the Element Craft Studio from India, and I'm going to apply a little bit over here and there just to give some, you know, shading or something, so you know the art can pop out with that. So I'm going to apply a little bit here and there, and I'm going to make their tone little even. I'm going to apply a little bit face on her hairs and little bit. Okay, after that I'm going to use my white chalk paint, or you can use the acrylic paint as well, as you like. You can also apply with your brush, but I'm using my finger again to apply it. And guys, the excess white I'm gonna wipe out with my black gesso. So it's always there when you make the dark mixed media arts, you can always wipe the colors through black gesso. I'm just going to applying on her hair and remove the excess colors from my project, and it's done now. I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks for watching.